Kelly Timecast again. Today I'm going to review The Light Touch 2021. It's a comedy drama set in Athens, and I've not seen what the capital of Greece looks like before. It's quite lovely, in fact, and somewhere I would like to visit one day. I wasn't very impressed with this story though. I suppose on one level it's a light-hearted romp, but I found it quite cringeworthy. I've just watched the trailer to remind myself of why it left me with an unpleasant taste. Here's one line: "I cannot allow myself to be made a fool of by a girl. The reputation of the British police force is at stake." It just seems that I can see some people might find that funny, but it's just shallow. The quote is from Wesley Stanovich, a London copper who gets pickpocketed whilst enjoying his Greek holiday. Okay, it might be humorous irony, but given the police really do have a bad reputation, with at least 7 forces placed in special measures, and with so many recent allegations of misogyny and racism, it feels crass and tone deaf to me. The thief who gets the better of Wesley is a young woman called Becky, and she spends most of the time pilfering on public transport or at tourist hotspots and discussing her problems in therapy sessions. Then she gets a crush on Miranda, and she chases her around town. And in a sense, she joins in with most of the male characters who are lecherous in their attitude towards women. Although most of the jokes in this caper are slapstick, there are some references to suicide, which didn't sit well with me. It was treated as a part of the humour, which I didn't like at all. And it isn't really something that works well with humour. I thought this was a really daft idea. The idea was sown early on in the film. There's a daft idea about how to get rid of a body, and there's also the most bizarre scene of all was when there's a body lying on the ground and the mother of one of the women who's trying to dispose of it starts using homophobic language. It matters more to her, the LGBT phobia. It's supposed to be a joke. I didn't think it worked. I didn't get it. I sort of understood what they were trying to do, but it's just eye-rolling. Of course, there are lots of films in which the people within it, the characters, are reconstructed dinosaurs. I was wondering how this can still be something in the 2020s. So I'm going to give this film one of the lowest scores I've given quite a while. 3 out of 10. Let me know if you've got a different opinion, or if you feel the same way as me. If you've seen the film, let me know what you thought. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.